Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style and the timeline will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord if you want to be notified more quicker, and over there we're given free signals, but if you want our free signals, you can join our Patreon. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today, the daily candle, it's finished here, in that level here. So what else we said yesterday? It's staying here active till now. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. For pictures, you get more clear to you. We said we got here an inside bar, which is that one here. As you see it, we came today here to that low here. Then the market show us that green candle. Me and the people, they follow me. We enter a short until now. We're still holding the short. Maybe it's going to fall down, maybe not. If it's going up, also we're going to close the short and we will enter along that part of the game. It's always like that. But till now, also we're still holding our short and we're still holding our losses till now. But here in the daily, we haven't break up and we haven't break down here. So there is nothing new here in the daily. We're still waiting till the market break up here. And me, I think we are going to break up, or maybe there is a correction going to come. Depending what the market going to tell us, because as I told you before, we got here a divergence, very clear divergence there. Our indicator is here at the overbought area. Let me show it to you. As you see it, look at it. Our indicator is here at the overbought area. Level also we're in a very stronger level, and we got here a price action, which is that double top here or that M like that, but the neckline which is down here, it hasn't getting broke, so there is nothing new here. That one, it's staying here, just a price action. And now here in the daily, we got something new. Let me show it to you. Here in the daily now, we got a very clear flag, guys. Look at it like that, because the market went up here, fall down here, went up here, fall down here. That's a very clear flag here in the daily, as you see it like that. Now that flag, if we break it above here, that man is a continuation pattern, and the market is going to continue it upward, and we are going to go to that 40k if we break above here in that level. So what shall you do here for long term? For long term, just this, any correction you see, just buy. Me, I'm still thinking there is more correction going to come, and I told you yesterday till where? I told you maybe between 27k till 28k here exactly. So till now everything still looking the same, nothing was changed. Another thing here, because today is Friday, and you remember people they've been with us for some time now, they remember that. People they've been with us, they remember that every Friday we're making that 2 levels here. The last Friday we're making that 2 levels here. As you see them, the market couldn't break above here that 34k level we make, and down here the 26,500 level we make down here. And as you see, all the week it's staying here. By the way, for new people, that for the options over down here, where is the pots, and at the top where is the calls. So everything staying the same, nothing was changed. Now it's going to make for that week. For pictures get more clear to you, so it's going there. Here we are, guys, over here that the page web as we searching in it where they are the strikes. So let's start by the pots here, that where is the money here. Then we started searching here for a level where there is the, as you see here, we found the first level here, which is 28k. As you see, the pots here is 394 Bitcoin, and the calls is 0 here. So that the first level 28k. So let's go in searching now for the calls. For the calls, guys, as you see it, we found a level here, which is 35k. So we make 2 levels now, 28k and 35k. So let's go in back now to the chart to join the 2 levels together. Here we are. Over here, we came to the first one like that, and we make it. We said 35k like that, and the down one we set 28k like that. So as you see, the view for the option people, the Bitcoin is still very bullish, and me I told if it fall down here, all the people they are going to buy. If it fall down here, you're going to see a very big jump here. So till now also we're still waiting what the market is going to do, and also we analyze for you day by day. That's why every time we tell you to join us in Telegram or Discord, we're giving there more extra in-depth analysis than here. Over there we analyze minute by minute. Over here we analyze for you just once a day, so you can even you join us there. I think picture is too clear guys here. So that's for the options. The call level which is at 35k, the pot level which is at 28k, and the Bitcoin it's locked here for them is going to stay here where it is. So let's wait what's going to happen. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours guys to see what Bitcoin going to do today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. Here in the 4 hours we said like that. We came here in the top. We said we got here a very clear distribution level here as you see it. And now the market came down, it touched it here. Then from here it's showing as if it's going to go back up. But till now there is nothing yet here up. Because for the up it needs to come to break for us here. As you see it, that up channel which is here. So till now maybe that one just a correction. The market is going to come here to touch here. And after that maybe from here is going to fall down. Because if you see here with me, you got a very clear down channel here in the 4 hours guys. So you need to be focused about that one. But for swing trading, for you to enter, I tell it to you before. It's need to break that channel here. That one here or that one down here. That's it. That's what you need to do. Forget about that sideways market which is here where we are now. Because even that down channel me I show you here like that is it inside that sideways market. If you just want to enter from here to here, that one is going to be for scalping but not for swing trading guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying here for swing trading. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, it came yesterday here to the place where is the bears they controlling. But today very quickly it go back here to the middle. So now both of them they are equal. And what that indicating when it came here to the bear market and go back quickly, it's indicating that the bears they are very weak. They don't have power to push the Bitcoin more down. So guys, no one want to sell, no one want to enter short, and the majority of people they still thinking the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. So even you waiting for that break to happen, and that the trend line me just show you in the 4 hours. It's getting blocked here and it's breaking for us that channel. Also we're going to enter long. Till now also we're still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to break, either up or either down. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you at this time guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here it's very close to touch here the oversold area, but also we haven't entered. Why? Because it doesn't break for us that level here. Because that one at the end of the day is just an oscillator. I've been telling you and teaching you that thousands of times guys. Yes or no? Now what should we do? For us to enter long, it's need the market to come to break above here. For us to enter short, it's need the market to break down here. And no, it's boring for swing trading and for long term, but that how is it trading? Also, we are not going to enter just because our intention is telling us we need to enter. Also, we're going to enter based on something in front of our eyes. If the fundamental it's look great, and yes, all the Bitcoin fundamental and on-chain it's looking very great, but price action it doesn't tell us to enter long. So also we're going to wait. That's it. That's the only thing guys. Wait till the right time. If it's breaking down here, you can enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry. If it's breaking above here, we can enter long. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. That's it. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, us we enter here a short. I will tell you why us we enter a short, because some people haven't explained everything. Us we used to have here that triangle like that, as you see it, that one here. Until now, why us we still holding? Because the market is showing to us it's just going to touch it here. Maybe from here it's going to fall down like that and to break that last low. That's normal and that's still healthy. Yes or no? That's for the short, because also we put it take profit first, second, and all those ones. Now that's for the short. For the long, we got something new here, guys. Look with me here what I'm going to show you. You see it or no? Over here, and over here. You got a very clear head and shoulder here. You see it or no now? That one, if it's getting broke above here, we need to enter long, guys. Another thing very important here. Look with me here. Here in that one. Here, here, and here. Even here, the market try to give you here a head and shoulder like that. You see it or no? Even that one, if it's getting broke down here, you can enter short. That's for the short. For the long, you got here another price action now. It will not be clear, but you can make it like that. You see it or no now? You got here a very clear triangle. If that one getting broke above here, we're going to close all the short and we're going to open a long. If it go back and breaking down here, also already we got a short, guys. Today Saturday, you know the market will stay flat, but also we're going to go with it exactly where it's going to go. Everything is still clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is coming from oversold area. Now is it stuck here in the middle? Shall we go with it long? Here it's breaking above here. If it doesn't get in break above here, there is no entry long, guys. But if it fall down, also we're going to go with it. Because me, I told you and I've been teaching you that one is just an oscillator. We don't need to base our trade on it. If there is any good on it, also we sell it. Not put it free in trading view, and some people they take it and they changing the name of it. Also we don't care. Because that one is just an oscillator based on RSI. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.